Hello, this is Jessie Del Quadro about to use her new garlic robot that she got for her birthday. So I have my clove of garlic. Let's see what happens. I'm going to clean my garlic clove because you can't put all the sticky stuff in it. See if I can get it off. This Band-Aid on. Which might be impossible. Here we go. Okay, here is my garlic, freshly peeled. Here is my garlic robot. I'm going to open it up. There are the blades. Here's my garlic. And this is the first time I'm ever using it, so I hope everybody's really excited. Ready? Doesn't work. Just kidding. Oh! And we have inside freshly minced garlic with a removable blade. I hope everybody likes to eat something with garlic in it because we're going to be eating a lot of it.